All right. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Monday Day Show. Today we're at Bournemouth Beach. It's a nice sunny day. It's about 32 degrees. We're going to head to the pier. It's very packed. Everybody's out here. It's absolutely packed. Lovely. We're going to walk to the pier now so you can have a look. Hit that like and subscribe and join us on a little tour. Here we've got the observation wheel, which is like exactly similar to the London Eye, but a smaller version. But I haven't been up in this one before, but it looks like you can see the whole of the pier, see the whole of the beaches, and most probably half of Bournemouth.
Let's have a look what the price is like.
So you got the price list there. Adults £10, children £8. And for a family, I'm assuming it's a family of 5, £6. So that's not bad.
Let's go down, have a look at
let's go further down. As you can see, it's very, very busy.
So we're gonna go right to the pier.
And as you can see, there's lots of restaurants and amusement shops and gift shops around here. Where you can purchase any goods you want. We've got here the travel bus, which is the London double decker, but it's a tour bus. I'm not sure the prices are. They're normally between £10 and £15. So
considering the wheel is £10 per person, the hop on bus is gonna be slightly cheaper to London bus too.
And here you are, big hot rocks, aquarium in front of you, and let's go to the pier over here then. As you can see, this is the beach. See, as far as I can see, absolutely packed. All the spaces are taken out. Lots of family, lots of children, family friendly. The actual water is not too bad as well. It's quite warm. So I do want to go. And funny enough, there's lots of people swimming in here today, which is quite unusual because we've been here. Well, we've been to Bournemouth several times. I've not seen so many people in the sea, but there's quite a lot of people here now, and a lot of people in the sea. So hit that like and subscribe. We're going to continue until we get to the pier. Here we are at the start of the pier. There you are. Welcome to Bournemouth Pier. See the sign there? So we're going to walk along, have a look at the front. We're going to have a look at what's at the end of it. I think there's some restaurants and stuff like that. So let's have a look.
So you can see beach is packed both sides. Let's have a look on this side.
The beach was very packed. You can see people there sunbathing, spray on sheen, heat factor, drinking, lounging, just basically enjoying the hot weather. And as you can see in the sea, down across, some of the beach activities. You see the water is actually packed. There's lots of people in it. The most I've seen it before. Very, very busy. As you can see over there, water beach activities coming down on the tripod line.
Hopefully you can see.
Got the whole of the UK come out.
So let's have a look for the prices for the how do you call it? Cable something.
Cable. We come to the end of the pier. Now, literally, we've got some live music or live little band there. Oh, here we are.
We're jamming, we're jamming with you. We're jamming, jamming too.
So there we are. This is about between about 50. I think that's the high line. High line. That's the high line swing. This looks like the history of Bournemouth Pier. Looks like it was in 1856 the first seaside pier was built in the 1810s. Then you got storm rendered structure in 1876. So there's quite a lot of history that's gone on here. Up until
This is the picture from the pier from 9/11. This is just where we are, and you've got the eye here. On the left hand side, here is the eye. Here is the pier.
here we are. Yeah, that's when it was reconstructed.
Quite interesting stuff to read.
Here we are. Here we are.
Very, very interesting. Now,
As you can see, this is the end of the pier now. So what we're going to do is
oh, there's one person.
overhead
Oh, they already gone.
cable. Yeah.
Is anybody else coming up? There are two people coming up the top right now.
So that's a cable, right? Yeah. It starts from there and it goes all the way across the front part of the sea and onto the beach. Not too bad. And they got the Helter Skelter next to it for the kids, the front there.
We've got a restaurant on the right. And that's pretty much it on the Bournemouth Pier.
Here we go. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. It's very hot. It's about 32 degrees. Hope you're enjoying the weather as well. This bank holiday. Took us a few hours to get here. But yeah, hope you enjoy it. And hit that like and subscribe.